Let's do a quick tutorial on building your vertical 1080 by 1920 fully branded digital prize wheel. In this video, we'll rebrand the game graphically and set up the backend inventory control application. Let's take a play of the game. By default, the game comes with first name, last name, and email in an official rules box. Everything is required. If you'd like, we can change form fields or we can remove the official rules box. So we'll take a play. When we set up your account, you'll receive a link to this page. When we first set you up, you'll receive a page identical to this. From here, we have login into the backend, a link to get into design, and a link to the game. So this game currently looks like this. And this is just a white background. It's very simple design. When it goes on your 1080 by 19 kiosk, it'll look something like this. So what we're going to do next is we're going to get into design. So let's go here. From here, we have the primary link is to upload your images. And there's also a link here to view the game again. There's a zip file of template images and some options that we can help you with. So let's go into design. This page shows every image of the game and what the specs are. And there's also an upload button. When you upload the image, it will overwrite the previous image and you'll have immediate access to the design. So let's just scroll through. And here's the wheel. The important part of the wheel is that the prize is aligned with the back end and again with the pop-up graphics. The small wheel here is a legend that shows which one goes to grand, second, third. So here we'll see the iPad is here. This is the first prize level. If we scroll down just a little bit, this is a target card. That'll be in second prize, both in the back end and again down here. A couple of pieces of confetti and a ticker. So let's change a couple of images. All you're going to do is choose your new file and press change. Okay. Now I've gone through and replaced each image. You'll notice that the images haven't changed on the page. At the top of the page, there's an important note that old images stick in the web browser, and the simplest way on a PC is to hold the control key and press the F5 key. Now I've just done that. Now you'll see every image of the game has changed. If I come back over, a better way would be to do this. So in just a couple of matter of minutes, I went to this from this. Now again, if we hit the F12 key and the page is set up properly, you'll have a good idea of what it's going to look like on your vertical monitor. The backend application is very logical to use. When you log in, you'll come to this dashboard, come here to Games, Game List, and you'll see the game that is attached to your game interface. So right now it's called Live Game. There's 0 plays of 300 total. Over here you can download the data afterwards or anytime in between. You can email it to yourself. You could just view it. Over here under Actions, we can archive it, which will store a temporary copy under the Archive tab. We can edit it, copy it, make an exact copy, or delete the game and all its data altogether. So for now, we're just going to go to Edit. So this is just an example demo game. Shows first prize, second, third, fourth, and fifth, as well as losers. And you type in what the name of the prize is, and you set the exact inventory for how many you want to give away. Just up here, we can give it a name, set the dates, or just leave the dates wide open. It's easy enough to come pop in here and manage. If you're collecting data and you want to block repeated plays, you can say 1 play. I usually use per lifetime, and that's per lifetime of this game, per email address, and add it as a play rule. We can add custom fields to the game data form. However, it's best to have us do it. We can make it look a little nicer than you can using a template system. And then we would just say update game. So here the important part is making sure these prizes align to your game. So if we bring a game over, oops. Okay, so in this case it's a prize wheel. So the first prize, which is here, a gift card, and this legend shows which prize level each prize is. So we have the gift card, 2 is the mug, 3 is the hat, and it's showing it right here. And most games also have pop-up panels. So here, this is showing first prize, second prize, third prize, and they just need to match in order to have your game set up properly. If we come back to the game list, after this is being done and tested, we can say copy, and we'll set the inventory like so. Again, decide on the dates. The dates are Eastern time, midnight. So a game for today would be played on 12/1, and it would end on 12/1. So it would have started last night and ended tonight. So we can then call this game 2. Or no, we'll call it game 1. We'll come down here, we'll make an exact copy, and now it's queued. Now what we would do is get rid of the demo game, and here you're ready for your event.